Let me show you how we can factory reset your Motorola Edge 70. We have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. For example, the main method is to go to Settings. Over here, scroll down in order to find System Settings. Then you should be able to go to the Reset options, and over here we have Erase All Data. So we can select this option. We have the summary of everything that we will lose, which is essentially everything, of course, so remember to make a backup of everything that you don't want to lose. We can also erase eSIMs, and once you're ready, we can tap on Erase All Data and follow the rest of these steps. Besides that, if you use the Find Hub on your phone, so let's go back to Settings. Over here, if we go to Security and Privacy, and then go to Device Finders, if you have the Find Hub enabled, then you should be able to erase the data from your computer, for example. So if we open this address, the google.com/android/find, and if you use the proper Google account that you use on your phone as well, then you should be able to find your Motorola Edge 70 over here on this list. And then you can find the factory reset device option, which can be quite helpful as well. And last but not least, you can also go to the recovery mode in order to perform the hard reset. So to do that, first we need to turn off our device. So I'm going to use the power button and volume up button at the same time. And we're going to tap on power off. There we go. Wait for the phone to completely shut down. Next, we're going to use the power button and volume down button. So if you use both of these buttons at the same time, then you should be able to open the fast boot mode first. So over here, we're gonna use volume buttons in order to find the recovery mode. And once you see the recovery mode, use power button to confirm your choice. You will see the hello motto screen. Then after that, you will see the no command option. There we go, not option, but screen. And in this case, you want to press and hold the power button. And then while holding the power button, press volume up. So it looks like this. We're gonna press the power and press volume up. There we go. And now in the Android recovery mode, we should be able to once again use volume buttons, and you should be able to find wipe data / factory reset option. So we should be able to confirm with the power button, and then you can go to factory data reset over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.